Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you watch this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today I've got an unboxing for a knife that I was inspired to order off Amazon. So I will get more of that story when we get into it, but real quickly I want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you. Thank you to anyone who subscribes to the channel and watches my knife and EDC content. Thank you, thank you. And thank you to anyone who's just in here watching this video who comes in from time to time. Thank you. I hope you like it. I am going to use my little Amazon titanium Balisong unboxing knife to get into this package here. And we have a Kizer. So, if you guys are watching this tonight, which was when I'm uploading it, which is Thursday night, you saw a video today, possibly, that was this knife, the Kizer. The Kizer Harpoon, I'm sorry. This does not have a name on it. It says it's a hunting knife. But I believe, let's get into it. This is going to be the smaller version of said harpoon. Let's see here, what we got here. Yep, this is the mini harpoon with a couple of kind of cool differences. Action for you sticker. Let's see what we got under here. We're going to have our Kizer sheath, troll candy, a lanyard in case you want to make a necklace knife out of it or put a lanyard on it, a little cleaning cloth, and then again Kydex sheath. So we'll close this up. Now let's get our... This one is in 3V instead of in D2. So this one was not as budgety as the D2 full version, but I like the D2 full size version that Brother Lee donated to the channel that I'm going to donate to you guys so much that I wanted to pick up a more Javon sized version, at least what I thought would be a Javon sized version, which I was right. Get some of this oil off of it. Alright guys, so this is the Kizer. Apologize for the weird little jumpy edit there guys. Something jumped and jacked up my video. Since I'm in no edit zone, I'm just going to take up where I left off or pick up where I left off. The Kizer Mini Harpoon. So if you guys remember, I just did a review, if you're watching this today, which would be Thursday, I did a review this morning on a knife that Brother Lee donated to the channel that I've been carrying around and really digging, the D2 G10 Maverick Customs Kizer Harpoon, which is a collaboration. So I like this knife so much, I started looking around on Amazon because I wanted a smaller version. I wanted to see what they had to offer. And I love the blade geometry of the original so much that I thought the Mini was worth checking out. So I learned when I was checking it out that it also is 3V, not D2. I could have gotten a canvas micarta handle with a stonewash blade. God, this thing's slicey. But it would have taken longer to get here, and I'm kind of an immediate gratification guy. So I went with the PEI and the black 3V blade. Really dig the combination. I love the way it feels in my hand. I love the way the original, the full size, felt in my hand. It's a great feeling knife. This thing, I can't stress enough what a slicer it is. This is not thick cardboard. It's just a pokey, stabby, slicey little beast. Again, this is just an unboxing, and I do apologize for the wonky edit. It basically just jumped out at me. Something happened on my camera. I don't even know if these are going to stitch together in iMovie right, but we'll see how it goes. Let's just show you how much smaller it is. So, full-size harpoon in D2, which I'll also leave a link to this at Amazon. It comes in, I think, around 48 bucks. This one, I think, was 58 bucks, and it came with the horizontal straps. The mini harpoon comes with this kind of Kydex sheath with the carbon fiber look. Has one of these half clips, which I will, of course, take off and mount. I'll probably have to mount a 3.3 slim ulti-clip on here so I can use it as a pocket dropper. Goes in and out of the sheath perfectly. There's absolutely no rattle. Pops right out of there. Gorgeous, thin little knife. I love the swedge. I love the Harpoon. And I'm speaking from memory of the original. I love, this one has kind of a little radial milling in the Ultim, which gives it just a really good grip. The smaller knife, the Harpoon, hits my thumb more naturally, where I have to kind of reach forward for it in the full size, because I've got a medium, large size hand, 3.5 inches from here to here roughly. This one, it's just a natural fit. That's where my hand goes. That's where I use the knife. So for a little EDC fixed blade that somebody like me in an urban environment that's not going to be out batoning with it, because it does have a sharp, delicate tip. It is 3V, so it's tough. I have a feeling it's going to perform just great. I'm going to do it, put it through some paces, mainly put it through some carrying paces, see how it rides in my back pocket, see how often I reach for it, which I find in most cases I use my fixies more than my folders for the few cuts that I make, ripping open some cat food for Tippy, or, you know, opening an Amazon package, something like that. But anyways, guys, this is the Kizer Mini Harpoon. I was so impressed by the Harpoon that Brother Lee donated to the channel, which I will be passing along to you guys before long, that I went out and bought this guy at Amazon. I dropped about either 58 or 68 bucks on it. I can't remember which, but it came in 3V. If it had been available for less in D2, I probably would have bought it if it was like $20 less, because again, what I use it for is more urban, easy cutting. But I'm glad that I picked it up. I'm glad I pulled the trigger on it. And I think this might be a keeper in my EDC fixed blade collection. Again, I'm a fan of Maverick Customs, fan of Kizer. This is a great little knife. Guys, just an unboxing. I'll get it ulti clipped up or deep concealment carried up, ready to go. Carry it and we'll give you a review on it. I appreciate you checking out the video. I appreciate any of you who come in and watch it. If you would, hit the like button. It does help me out. If you'd like to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, that would be so awesome if you haven't already. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.